Okay, Kent, here's your video. So this is the opener. You can see the wire is disconnected for the back door switch. Here's the plate and a press and hold program. Okay, so now I'm going to set the top limit. You can see the bolt there. There. So then I'm going to press set. We're going to set the bottom. Hit set. Now it's 3. Unit there. Then we're going to press the button again. And now she's displaying 4. I don't know if you can see that. And 4 there. Now I'll take you can see the sensors are here. These are your sensors. And these here were the ones that we had before.